Time for another barrel-aged cocktail, and I'll tell you what, this is actually one of my favorites, whether it's barrel-aged or not. A lot of times I'll order this when I'm going out. Manhattan's one of my favorites, but probably my favorite is going to be the Old Fashioned. And the Old Fashioned is one of the best cocktails, in my opinion, for aging in the barrel, because what it's going to do is it's going to bring those flavors together with the barrel and just really give you a new dimension to your taste of the Old Fashioned. And you'll probably have a hard time drinking another one that didn't come from a barrel after that. So what we've done is we took a 2-liter barrel and we didn't fill it up. We only used a fifth of bourbon, so basically a little over a fifth with the entire cocktail. So it's actually going to age at a little bit faster rate since the barrel wasn't full. And we left it in here for a full month. So what we did is we started off with the Texas bourbon whiskey from Hermann Marshall. Side note, if you're in the Dallas area, their distillery is in Garland. My wife and I went up there one Saturday. They have free tours, free tastings, and you'll need to make a reservation because they do fill up fast. But I'll tell you what, it's worth it. They are great people there. They have some really tasty liquors, and it's worth the time. It's actually a good time to go out there and taste some good stuff. So if you get a chance, go check out Hermann Marshall. And I'll tell you what, this is probably my favorite one that they've got, the bourbon whiskey here. And it makes a delicious Old Fashioned that you are going to just love if you age it in one of our barrels, because the flavor that you're going to get is going to be second to none. So what we did is basically just take and mix all the ingredients, put it in the barrel, and let it sit for a month. Now, this is one of the recipes that comes out of our new recipe booklet. These are for sale on our website. I think they're just $5, but you're going to get 16 recipes in here. Everything for recipes for tequila, gin, scotch, rum, whiskey, bourbon. There's quite a few different liquors in there, and all the recipes are geared for a 1-liter barrel. So if you're going to make a 2-liter, just multiply it by times 2, and 3, 5, whatever size barrel that you've got. But I'll tell you what, the Old Fashioned is definitely one that you've got to try. So anyway, cheers and age well, my friends.